So you're going to be using Noredink to do the mock SOLs. When you get the link from me, um, what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and it's going to take you to this screen that asks you if you're ready to join my class. Um, I suggest clicking login with Google and seeing if you already have an account with Noredink. And if you don't, it'll tell you that you don't have an account. So what you'll do then, when it says looks like you don't, this account isn't linked to any Noredink account, is you're going to click sign up, and then you'll click I'm a student, right? I gave you a class code in the announcement, so you will go ahead and you will enter that class code, and then hit continue. Once you do that, you're going to hit sign up with Google. And the reason we do that is because all of your information is already linked to your account. Um, so when you do that, your account will pop up. You'll select it, and then you're free to answer this part if you want to. You don't have to. Then what will happen is the screen will appear with a bunch of stuff that it'll say, hey, what are you interested in? And it'll ask you to select from the list of things it provides. It does this because once you're done with your mock SOL, it's going to provide different types of exercises and activities based on how well you do on the mock SOL assignments, the writing and the multiple choice, and it wants to give you things that it thinks that you will be interested in. So make sure that you actually select things that you think you would be interested in reading about, um, and then hit continue. And once that's done, you're ready to take your mock SOLs.